Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add your Afterpay card to Apple Wallet. Start by opening the Afterpay app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap the In-Store tab at the bottom of the app. This is where you can manage your in-store payment options. Next, tap Pay in Store or set up the card, depending on which option appears in your app. After that, tap Add to Wallet to begin adding your Afterpay card to Apple Wallet. For security, Afterpay will send a verification code by SMS to the phone number linked to your account. Enter the code when prompted, then tap Next. Now simply follow the remaining prompts on your screen. Apple Wallet may ask you to review and accept a few terms before completing the setup. Once the process is finished, your Afterpay card will be added to Apple Wallet and ready to use for eligible contactless payments. If you have any trouble, make sure your phone number is correct in your Afterpay account and that both your iPhone and the Afterpay app are updated to the latest version. Thanks for watching.